Okay, we're going to do a quick unboxing. This is our new Sawgrass SG800 printer we ordered from Condi.com. They have, or at least had, a sale going on. It may still be going on. I didn't see anything about when it was ending. So this is our unboxing. Okay, so here we are with a yellow pack. And right away I see this. Welcome to the soft side of sublimation. This is a fabric sample test kit. A book on photo gifts and awards. Transfer systems and printable products, supplies, educational videos, technical support, etc., etc. Alright, I'm not going to go through all this, but I'm assuming these are just different products that you can sublimate on if you're looking to make this a business. Okay, I'm trying to see if I see prices, and so far, no. Maybe there's like an order form or something. I know a lot of times you can get, buy in bulk prices, so maybe that's in there somewhere. I don't know. Oh, wait a minute, was that it there? No, actually that's not. Okay, I'll have to look into this a little bit more and try to find this out. Okay, but that's that. Here we have HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. This is a 5-sheet pack. I guess this is something else to try it out on. This looks like a metal frame. So something else to practice on. Okay, setup instructions. So whether you have the 400 or the 800, we decided to go for the 800 because you can print a lot bigger on the sheets. And this is, the 100 pack of 8.5 by 11 sheets. So there's that. And finally, we're going to get down to the printer. Oh, wait, just before we do, here are cords. This is a USB cord and also a power cord. And I think the last thing left now is wait, I see another yellow pack. So we'll see what's going on there. It's another yellow pack. Okay, these are the inks. And I've heard that these are very expensive. But I've also heard that they last a long time. So this is our yellow. Let's see. Magenta, cyan, and black. Not very big, but that's what we have there. There's the little USB drive, and I believe that someone said that this contains warranty information, and I think that's about it for that. And finally, the printer itself. Unless, of course, we find some other surprises down in there. But I don't think so. I think this is going to be it here. What is this stuff? Safety information. Yeah, I'll worry about that later. That's taped on there pretty well. And that's it for what's in the box. So take a look at the printer. Alright, and here we are. won't get into a whole lot right now. It sounds like setup for this is also going to be a process. Let's see. Pull that tape off of there so that I can get that to open. Alright. So again, this is the Sawgrass SG800 unboxing video. And if you stay tuned or check me out on Instagram, I'm at Smiling Sunflower. You're likely to see some work that I get done with this. Thanks for watching.